We come back to the front of the body. What we're going to do is create her bikini top, or her top piece of this bikini top. It's very simple. Just make sure that we cover ourselves. Okay. Grab our material from the back, bring it down to the side of the body, not too tight. And we'll twist. Maybe 4 or 5 times down to the side of the body. You normally need to be in your bikini bottom, but that's fine. Right there, please. Open up the sarong. What I'm going to do is create the skirt. Both corners together. What I'm going to do is tie a knot.
Oh my God, what ways down there?
And then gentlemen, these are very practical items to have your girl in, and I'll explain very shortly. See that bald-headed guy? Yeah, he's my cellmate, I mean my flatmate. Okay. I hate dressing up with him. He's doing life. I'm only doing 20 years. Okay, so, terrible. Thumbs up. So please. Another 2 pieces using 1 piece of material. Now, making sure that both corners are even. Okay, we begin to tie our knot and we pull the material vertically to the front, making sure that we don't hemorrhage anything. Okay, what we're going to do now is create her bikini top. Very simple. You just make sure we cover each coconut. Okay. Right. Okay, just making sure that we are covered. And of course, gentlemen, making sure that she is comfortable, so make sure this is not too tight. Can you breathe?
Yes.
Good sign. Now, can you turn around and face me, please? Face the front. Don't worry about me. And we start twisting it. You right? Start twisting, and we bring this down to one side. One side of the body. Now, same thing again, boys. You open up the sarong to create her skirt. Ladies, you can have this long, you can have it short. It's entirely up to you girls, okay? I like short. Turn around with me and face the front. Now, bring both corners together and just tie yourselves a knot on her hip. Of course, she's still in your bikini, so it's entirely up to you whether you have it long or short. Well, that cheeky little outfits to wear. You've seen me in one of them. You guys should have come tomorrow. We've got the whole prison coming out with us tomorrow. Okay, there you go, 12. What are you doing? Leave it alone. Do not undo that. That's my job. Okay, you naughty girl.